Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a quesadilla on a panini press. Preheat the press to medium-high and assemble cheese, cooked protein, and any veggies. Butter or oil the outside of the tortilla lightly for crispness. Use shredded cheese for fast melting and avoid overfilling. Cook until golden brown and cheese is fully melted, then slice and serve with salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. Layer ingredients thoughtfully to balance texture and flavor before pressing. Start with a thin layer of cheese, add proteins and veggies, then finish with another cheese layer to glue fillings together. Avoid stacking too high or the press won't close properly. For extra flavor, sprinkle spices like cumin or smoked paprika. Lightly press the assembled tortilla before placing it in the panini press to compress ingredients evenly. Monitor the first quesadilla closely to learn how your press behaves and adjust time accordingly. Rotate or flip only if your press cooks unevenly, otherwise let it do the work. Use a spatula to remove the hot quesadilla gently and a sharp knife or pizza cutter to slice cleanly. Keep additional tortillas warm in a low oven if serving multiple rounds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.